how to create a landing page with Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here in our Canva and we're simply going to search up a website over here. So a landing page is a website where you could redirect different clients or customers to highlight a specific product or a specific service. It just basically redirects them to a specific page that you want them to see. So over here in your search bar, simply search for landing page. Now in this landing page or in this search, ensure that you have selected website over here. It's filter because sometimes there are presentations mixed in as well, but we're going to settle it with websites to help us filter it out and not do additional steps. But anyway, over here, what you're simply going to do, depending on what type of landing page you're trying to do or trying to create, since there are different types and for different purposes, simply select the necessary or the appropriate template that you prefer over here. There are different templates available. For example, we could choose this one. Also, by the way, you're not really limited to choosing a template. If you want, you could start from scratch, but that would just give you, or that would take up a bit of time. So I would recommend that you just choose with a specific landing page or launch or template available over here. After choosing a template, what you could do is you could now simply modify it like a typical Canva project wherein you're simply modifying or adding your different elements. You could utilize the elements feature of Canva over here where you could search up all kinds of things depending on what you're trying to build. For example, let's say here product, and click on photos over here. There are different types of products over here. So let's go with a laptop over here, and we're trying to get something like this. So let's say we're trying to promote a new laptop. We could put it over here on the left side, stuff like that, depending on how you want to approach this. You could add different kinds of things that you prefer. It all depends on the purpose, like I said earlier, the purpose of your output or the purpose that you're trying to make. But anyway, after adding and like modifying, putting in the different things that you want to have on your page over here, what you could do is you could actually simply publish this website, this specific page. It isn't really necessary for you to be able to have multiple pages. It could be just one page if you prefer, but if you could have multiple pages, that could also work. So let me go over here and select a specific website over here to test it out. So after you create your landing page with your different elements, what you could do is you could publish this website so that we could get the URL. Publish this, and now on a separate website that you could possibly have, what we're going to do is we're going to simply select a specific photo or a specific button that we have so that we will redirect to that specific section. So over here, we're going to modify this. We're going to delete this. And now for this one, we're going to copy this one and we're going to paste it over here. This is going to be our link. So now when people select this, so let's say a product. When people select our button over here, it should redirect them to our new page over here or our landing page. So this one, we're going to publish it as well. We publish your website and simply give it a few moments over here or a bit of time. And there we go. So now we're going to view our website. So the way landing pages work is that you have your main page over here. So we want our customers to land on a specific page that we're trying to promote. So for example, we have our product over here. Well, supposedly, let's see if it's working. Edit design. Let's group this again. And let's assign our link to this. I don't think it, but let's see. So we have our link over here, but supposedly, after this, people could just simply select the button from your Canva website. So let me republish this to see if it will work. But supposedly it should work since it's linked, and it should redirect them to this page over here, which is going to be the landing page that you have, of course. Anyway, let's see here, view website. Well, there's having issues, but that is basically how you will be able to create a landing page. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. If you want to be able to utilize these features that we have been demonstrating, click the link in the description below to test out a free 30-day free trial for Canva Pro.